Alright, so we're going to be going through a tutorial on the push-up, which is a fantastic bodyweight exercise, particularly when done correctly. And often this is one, even though it seems like a simple exercise, is quite challenging. So the first thing I want to do when going through the push-up is I want to make sure that you understand this concept of neutral spine. So what we want to do is, if I was to have a stick on my back, right, we want to make sure that the head, the upper back and the bum are touching the stick with a very slight angle in the low back there, okay? A bit of a concave position where we've got a little bit of an arch in that lower back. Now, that's just a reference point, that's all, nothing more. So imagine that reference point still exists. When I get down to the ground to actually perform the push-up, okay, I want to make sure first and foremost for the normal push-up that my hands are right underneath my shoulders, so I'm about shoulder width, okay? And I want to make sure my body weight does stay over the top of my hands there, right? A lot of people tend to go back into the hips a little bit more because they're obviously not quite strong enough in the upper body, so they have this tendency to want to do this. Or the second thing I tend to see a little bit is the elbows flaring out to the side when they start descending in the push-up as well, as a way to compensate a little bit. So if you imagine you've got that stick on your back, you want to keep a nice long neck, nice tight core, and you want to maintain that straight position. We don't want to drop the hips too much either, right? We would lose that position. Or we want to make sure our head doesn't drift forward too much in the push-up either, as a compensation. So maintain those nice points of contact, okay? Nice and straight, tighten the tummy, slowly lower down into the push-up till your chest hits the ground, then you're going to push away from the ground, okay? Now the key thing here is making sure the whole time that the elbows are coming slightly behind the body. So if I was standing up on top, watching you do the push-up, from a bird's eye view, your arms should look like they're going slightly behind the body, right? So it looks a bit like an arrow, okay? So we've got that arrow formation rather than a T, all right? A T would imply that the elbows are starting to flare out to the side. So whilst you maintain that core position, stay nice and strong, maintain that neutral spine position as if you were to have that stick on your back the whole time. Make sure you don't allow that head to flare forward. Okay, slowly descend or lower into the push-up, and then you're going to drive into the ground and come back up. If that's a little bit too hard, we simply regress or alter the movement to suit you a little bit better.